Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're at the Fairplex in Pomona for the opening night of Imaginarium. It is Southern California's largest holiday light display, and it premiered last year here at Fairplex, and it is bigger and better than last year. And just walking in here and seeing this, and I've been to Imaginarium at Fairplex, and I've done other of their events, and this is almost overwhelming walking in here. I cannot wait to see what they have done. There are lights and displays everywhere, and it's even bigger, like I said, with carnival rides, games, food. It looks amazing. Let's go inside.
I'm not going to add any additional music tracks to the video, just let you hear what we heard as we walk around. They were playing a variety of music, including holiday songs, pop songs, some classics. I think you'll even hear Gloria Gaynor towards the end of this video, but this is exactly what we heard as we walked around.
This. I was just talking to some other folks there, and we're like, we don't know what to take a picture of first or what to video of first. In addition to all the light displays, there are dozens of these photo boxes for perfect Instagrammable moments, maybe Christmas cards. They're not all Christmas themed, but they are all beautifully decorated. You know, I came last year and said I've never seen anything like this, and I've never seen anything like this. This is just part of it. We haven't even gotten to the hill yet. Hopefully the video is doing this justice, because there's just so much to see. I don't even know what to film or take a picture of first. You're gonna have to go around a few times. There is that huge entry with all those lights we just showed you, plus the event goes around the hill. If you've been to the fair, it goes up the hill, around the hill, down past the lagoon. It's just like never ending. Definitely, they say it's Southern California's largest light show. It is. If you have been to another Imaginarium event, and they have a few throughout the year, you have not seen this. You still need to come. This, I don't know. How long did this take to set up? Where do you store this? How many people did it take? And how long did this take to set up? The event seems to be divided up among like sections. So up front it was all the holidays and Christmas. Now up on the hill we have what appears to be fairy tales. Like I said, I don't and there's some like mythical creatures up here. Just keeps going. I remember last year there was something up here. There's nothing there, but there is just so much new stuff.
New this year is a Carnival Midway. Now, the Carnival rides and games are not included in admission, so you will need to buy a wristband to get onto those. But this is something that's been added to Imaginarium this year at Fairplex and adds to the time that you'll probably spend at the event, too. The rides were a lot of fun.
In addition to the static photo boxes, there are these like interactive, what do you call these? They're so neat. Perfect for Instagram. Look at that. Looks like you're in a field of sunflowers. In addition to all these photo boxes and the whole trail of lights, there are two separate circus shows. The first one starts at 6 and then 6:30, so make sure you see both of those. They're right on the back side of that Avalon building. You can't miss them. I've actually never seen this one before. This is a new one. Or I haven't seen it anyway.
Sensational Murcia Productions.
Don't miss Big B the Transforming Robot live in just 5 minutes.
As you can see, there is much more to do at Imaginarium than just seeing the lights and the photo boxes. There are also 2 separate circus shows. Those shows are included in your general admission. We showed you a clip from one of the shows. The second show is coming up here in just a minute. And there are also the rides and the midway we showed you, plus a lot of food options. And there's also that transforming robot. If you buy the ride wristband, you can take a ride on the Ferris wheel, which gives you an amazing view of the event and the entire Fairplex and beyond. You can see the entire Pomona Valley there and the neighboring cities. An absolutely beautiful view. Now here's a look at that second circus show.
that is it from opening night here at Imaginarium at Fairplex and Pomona. Just opened tonight. You have until January to come out. Now, if you do come, the rides and the games are not included in your general admission, but all the shows, all the displays are, so make sure you're coming out. A huge thank you to Imaginarium for having us out tonight. Had a great time. We'll put a promo code down in the description with all the information. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, and follow us on social media. We'll see you soon. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.